In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a conversation in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your workspace settings, how to request an export, and how to download the file with your messages. First, make sure Slack is open and that you're signed in to the correct workspace. For this process, it's best to use the desktop app since all the options we need are easy to access there. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of the screen where you'll see your workspace name. This is the main menu for workspace level settings and tools. Click on your workspace name. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, look for the item labeled Tools and Settings. When you hover over or click that, you should see an option for workspace settings. In some layouts or permission setups, you may see Admin first and then Workspace Settings underneath that. Go ahead and select Workspace Settings. This will open a new browser tab, taking you out of the app and into the Slack settings page for your workspace. Once the browser tab loads, you'll be on the main settings page. Here, you want to find the section that handles data movement. Look for a link or tab called Import and Export Data. Click that to move into the area where you can manage exports of your Slack conversations. Inside this section, you'll see two main areas, one for importing and one for exporting. Click on the Export tab. This is where you can request a download of your conversations. You'll be able to choose a date range, which is really useful if you don't need everything, but only messages from a certain period. Open the date range drop-down, pick the start and end dates that match the conversations you want, and double-check that it looks correct. When you're ready, click Start Export. At this point, Slack will begin preparing your export in the background. This can take a bit of time, especially for larger workspaces or long date ranges. When the export is ready, Slack will send you an email. Open that email and click the link inside. It will bring you back to your workspace's export page, where you'll see a status showing that your file is ready. Click the Ready for Download button to download the zip file to your computer, and you're done.